Need to fix Facebook long videos not showing up? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, head over to your application Facebook. Once you're inside the Facebook, make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in into your specific account, move into Profile at the bottom right corner. Inside the Profile section, click on the three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. Move into Settings and Privacy and then head over to Settings. Now in the section of Preferences, you need to head over to Tab Bar. Click on Customize the bar at the very top. So in this page, in the Hidden section, you should see the option of Videos. If you have that option, then simply click on it and add it to the tab bar. Once you've added, it will be available to you in the bar at the bottom of the screen. Sometimes the video option might not be available to you because you haven't updated your application. Simply update the Facebook app and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.